Anna had always dreamed of becoming a mother. From a young age, she would play with dolls, imagining one day she would have a real baby to care for when she and her husband John decided they were ready to start a family. She was filled with excitement and hope. Each month, she would wait to see if it was the right time. And finally, one morning, the test showed 2 pink lines. Anna was going to be a mom. She rushed to tell John, her heart beating fast. When he heard the news, his eyes lit up with joy. They hugged each other tightly, feeling like their lives were about to change forever. "We're going to be parents," John said with a big smile. Anna nodded, her eyes filled with happy tears. From that moment on, everything seemed magical. They began to prepare for the baby's arrival. They painted the baby's room a soft, calming yellow, not knowing yet whether it would be a boy or a girl. John put together a small crib, and Anna spent hours choosing tiny baby clothes, imagining what their child would look like. They went to doctor appointments together, listening to the baby's heartbeat and watching the little one move during ultrasounds. As Anna's belly grew, so did her excitement. She felt the baby kick for the first time while sitting quietly one evening. It was a small flutter at first, but soon the kicks became stronger. "Feel this," she said to John, taking his hand and placing it on her stomach. His face lit up as he felt their baby moving for the first time. The months flew by, and the day of the birth came faster than they had expected. Anna was nervous, but also ready. After many hours in the hospital, filled with pain and anticipation, she finally heard the sound she had been waiting for, the first cry of her baby. When the nurse placed the tiny, wriggling baby in her arms, Anna couldn't believe it. Her heart filled with love so deep, it made her eyes water. It was a beautiful baby girl. They named her Lily, holding her daughter for the first time. Anna whispered, "Welcome to the world, my sweet girl." She knew from that moment on that her life had changed forever. She was a mom now, and this was just the beginning of her journey. The first year of Lily's life was a whirlwind. Anna quickly learned that taking care of a baby was not as easy as it seemed. Lily was a sweet and healthy baby, but she cried often at night. Sometimes she would wake up every 2 hours, needing to be fed or comforted. Anna, who had never experienced such tiredness before, found herself awake at odd hours, rocking Lily gently in her arms, singing soft lullabies. Despite the sleepless nights, Anna was completely in love with her baby. Every time Lily smiled, it felt like the world was brighter. She spent her days caring for her daughter, feeding her, changing her diapers, and cuddling her. The smallest things became special moments. The first time, Lily grabbed Anna's finger with her tiny hand. Anna felt her heart melt. She started to see the world in a new way, through the eyes of her child. As the weeks turned into months, Lily began to change. She started smiling more, then giggling when Anna or John made funny faces. She learned to roll over, sit up, and before they knew it, she was crawling. Anna and John were amazed by every little milestone. They took hundreds of pictures, wanting to remember each special moment. But being a mom wasn't always easy. There were days when Anna felt overwhelmed. Sometimes Lily would cry for what seemed like hours, and no matter what Anna did, she couldn't make her stop. On those days, Anna felt frustrated and exhausted. She would call her mother for advice, and her mom would remind her, "This is all part of being a mom. It will get easier." John was a huge help. Even though he worked during the day, he always made time for Anna and Lily in the evenings. He would come home from work, and the first thing he did was hold Lily, giving Anna a break. He helped feed her, change her diapers, and put her to sleep. On weekends, they would go for walks in the park, pushing Lily in her stroller, enjoying the fresh air as a family. When Lily's first birthday approached, Anna couldn't believe how much her baby had grown. They celebrated with a small party at home. Lily wore a tiny party hat, and they gave her a little cake to smash with her hands. Watching her baby girl laugh and clap her hands made Anna realize how fast time was flying. As Lily grew into a toddler, Anna found that her role as a mom continued to change. Lily was learning new things every day. She was curious about everything, touching and exploring everything around her. She started talking, saying her first words, and soon she was asking questions about the world. "What's that?" she would ask, pointing at a tree, a bird, or the sky. Anna loved answering her questions, watching her daughter's eyes light up with wonder. But with Lily's curiosity came new challenges. As she learned to walk, she became more independent. She wanted to do things on her own, even when it wasn't safe. Anna had to watch her closely, making sure she didn't get into trouble. Sometimes, Lily would throw tantrums if she didn't get what she wanted. She would cry loudly and refuse to listen. These moments tested Anna's patience, but she knew that being a mom meant staying calm and helping Lily learn right from wrong. Anna and John worked together to teach Lily important lessons. They taught her to say please and thank you, to be kind to others, and to share her toys. They also made sure to read to her every night. Reading became a special time for the family. Lily loved hearing stories before bed, especially about animals and adventures. Her favorite story was about a little rabbit who went on a journey to explore the forest. As the months passed, Lily grew taller and stronger. She could run and play in the park, and she loved spending time with other children. Anna often took her to play dates with other moms and their kids. Watching Lily make friends and learn how to play with others made Anna feel proud. Her little girl was growing up so fast. One evening, as Anna was putting Lily to bed, something special happened. After the bedtime story, Lily looked up at her mom and said, "I love you, Mommy." It was the first time she had said those words, and Anna's heart filled with happiness. She hugged her daughter tightly, whispering back, "I love you too, my sweet girl." Being a mom had been full of surprises, challenges, and incredible moments of joy. As Lily continued to grow, Anna knew there would be more hard days. But she also knew that how nothing in the world could compare to the love she felt for her daughter. Every smile, every word, and every hug made all the hard work worth it. And so, with her heart full of love, Anna looked forward to the future, excited to see what new adventures awaited her and her little family